Hi guys, I'm Talha. In this video, I will show you how to get a viral tags for your YouTube videos and viral your YouTube video. So, I will show you step by step method how to get a viral tags for your YouTube videos. So, don't waste any time and come on to our Chrome browser and so we don't want to come on into Chrome browser. I want to first download your one application that you need. That name is Text Finder. And search, and that is the first one. I already downloaded, and come on there and download it. This is the best app to viral your video. So we want which one of tags we are copying, and this method everything is great. So come on to YouTube, and internet is a little bit of a slow, and search how to find viral tags for YouTube video. That first one video is ManageD. I want to copy these tags, and I will show you how you can copy these tags at real. And come on to Text Finder, that, and click on this, and copy that link and paste it here. Paste it and find coming ads. I will skip the video. So I skipped the video, and that is a tags. I show you don't want to copy that all tags. One tags from each video to rank your video. You don't want to copy that all. So don't copy that at all. Copy tag and download notebook, color note, that application, and I also copied that. I want to, and that is color note. Name this by tags and copy that. And now which tags you want. The best amount of tags is 2 or 3 from each video. Copy that tags 1 or 2 from each video to rank your video. You are copying a lot of tags from one video, your video will be not ranked on YouTube. That is a YouTube policy. Copy that 1 or 2 tags, so I want to copy that tag, that tag, one tag, copy that one tag, copy that another tag, that another tag, that one tag, that, and copy that one tag and paste it in your video. And you want to come on here to find the best tags. You want to come on and get tags of each video, 1 or 2 tags. In that video I want to Technical Yagi's video tags, share and copy link, and come on to Text Finder and paste that link in here and find. Ads are coming. I want to skip that. So that is the tags. That copy that tags, paste it on color note, and copy 1 or 2 tags from each your video, and copy the tags from every video like that, that ranking is good, that video, that. So copy 1 or 2 tags from each video. Your video will be ranked really well. So all for that video, make sure you want to subscribe and like the video, and thanks for watching. Bye.